Welcome to this quick run through of the AI Transformation Intensive Weekend Edition. Now, normally we run our black belt training over a period of 9 to 10 weeks with one session per week, but we're mixing it up a little bit at the moment, particularly for people who want to kickstart 2025 and start their year being super productive. So who am I? I'm part of the world's top AI transformation experts. We're a community of well over 100 fractional executives with experience across a wide range of industries. And in the last 6 months, since we launched the Black Belt training, our group have personally trained and coached over 1,000 business leaders in over 250 companies and produced over 2,500 transformation reports. And that's how we measure our productivity gains. And we've actually generated over $10 million in documented productivity gains to date. Now, we deliver the most effective AI training, and we train you on all of the skills that you will need with a large language model. Now, most of the training I do, I tend to work in ChatGPT, but it is applicable to most of the large language models that are available these days. So we walk you through these 8 steps, which is getting comfortable with the tools and how you interact with ChatGPT, how to use AI in your role specifically, how to use AI as your cognitive super assistant to solve problems and to be your strategic thinking partner, how to build GPTs, AI automations, how to analyze workflows so that you can 100 times that productivity increase. Then we look at exploring the future of your role and what that might look like as AI capabilities grow and grow. Then we teach you how to work with AI agent-like tools. That's where we have the input from a number of different roles to create one output. And then we look at automation and API, as well as some strategy modeling in the Black Belt. So this is a quick overview of the learning objectives and the skill proof. And we're using the term skill proof in terms of once you have learnt the skills, then we get you to demonstrate what you've learned on one of your role deliverables. Now, I'm not going to read through all of that slide. If you want to pause the video and read it, you will see that each of the belts builds on each other. And I mentioned earlier too that we measure everything. So there is a guarantee on our ROI, and every time somebody finishes a belt in the training, they fill out a transformation report, and it's how long to complete with AI, how long did it typically take to complete in the past, and how many hours do you think this will save you each month? And if this is something new that you haven't done before, we can teach you how to do a quick time study so that we can get an estimate of where you're at. Now, this is one of the key differences also with the Black Belt training that I take you through is that, to our knowledge, we haven't found any other training course or training program that actually can demonstrate and shows you the return on investment, and it can actually be proved. So let's kickstart 2025 and come and join us for the AI Transformation Intensive Weekend Edition. So this is on the 18th and the 19th of January 2025. And we're offering a bonus for the first 4 paid registrations. You can bring a colleague or a partner for the same price, which is doubling the impact. Now, at the time of recording this video, I have 3 left, so don't delay if this is something that you think will be of benefit to you. Now, why now? Well, this is transformational skills that you can apply immediately. It's not something that you have to then go back to your job or your role in your business and think, okay, how am I going to apply what I learned? Because as we work through this, we will be applying your learnings after every belt. And what about staying ahead of the curve in 2025? Start the year with a clear AI strategy and put yourself in front of your competitors, or if you're looking to perhaps change jobs or look for a promotion in the new year, this would be a fabulous way to really make yourself stand out from everyone else. And then also what I've included is 3 months access to my fast track coaching program. Now, the way this works is that you have a maximum of 15-minute time slot once a week that you can book in. You come to me with what are you working on, what's the obstacle, and what's your plan to solve this. And in that 15 minutes, we come up with tangible actions for you. So as I said, there's limited spots available, and I only have 3 left at the moment for the bonus offer. And what are the deliverable details? Well, as I said, the training program covers 9 sessions. And what we'll be doing on the weekend intensive is we'll be running from around about 9 till 5 each day. And we'll have an hour's break in the middle of the day. So that works out to 4 3.5-hour sessions. Now, what we can do is do your role plan and maybe do the white belt and the yellow belt, and then we'll stop. And then we'll apply what we've learned to your role deliverables and the things that we've already talked about at the beginning of the session. And then after the lunch break, then we'll move on and we'll do the next couple of belts, and then we will stop the training side of it, and then we will do the implementation side, so that by the time you get to the end of Sunday afternoon, not only will we have completed all of the training sessions, we will have completed the vast majority of the work that you need to do to get your accreditation and submit your transformation reports. So what this means is that, you know, on that Monday, if you're working on that Monday, you can hit the ground running and really start to make a difference straight away. Now, how do you register? Send an email to me, Michelle, at 𝐔𝐧𝐥𝐿.com.au, or book a call with me by scanning this QR code or going to discoveryourEdge.com.au/booking-7524, and that will get you in for a half-an-hour session with me, and then we will figure out if this is the right program for you and if this accelerated pace of learning is something that you will be comfortable with. So thank you for listening, and I look forward to working with you soon.